You can hear the homeowner speak through his Ring camera as soon as he saw this.
Hey, what are you doing? Get off there. Get off there.
Soon as he saw the footage, he instantly called the police. But by the time they got there, the suspect was already gone. I don't know what they were looking for, but they ignored the homeowner at the time of the incident. But it's a good thing that they had a Ring camera, because there is no telling what the suspect would have gotten away with if he wouldn't have seen this.